Okay, I don't know where I'm gonna put this in the video, but quick little devlog. See what I've been making. This little sword guy. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I kind of abandoned guy. I low key when I made him, I just thought, hey, wait a minute, it'd be cool if I made a character like this. But I honestly had no idea what to do for the moves. So low-key, I'm gonna let him sit for a while, and then I'm actually making this new character called Silhouette, which, you know, I actually have a passion for, or I actually have ideas and inspiration for. So, you know, quick little devlog on that. I'm gonna do it really quick because I don't know where I'm gonna put this in the video, either the start or the end. We got the M1s. Yep, uppercut. I actually listened to the comments. I made it so the knockback isn't just, like, tremendously far. Alright, see, it's reasonable. And also it kind of fits because you're kind of drop kicking them up. We got the down slam. Okay. The Q dash is very similar to my other character, the bullet character. It's it's a quick kick like that. But this time, yeah, it's a kick this time, and it's also purple. So Alright, before we get into the moves, we got the R special. It's a dual move set, guys. Oh my god. I can't believe it. I made dual move set slop. Okay. First, I guess let's go over this purple variant. This move is like a debuff. It gives them no jump, makes it so they can't jump or sprint. And they also have a speed debuff for, like, they're debuffed basically, but it's very short. Basically, it's just to confirm your other moves. Like, it's just enough to confirm another move. It's nothing like too crazy or whatever. We got this move, Skyophobia, the second move. It's kind of similar to the second move on my bullet. It does 5 punches, but it knocks him back. And I guess you could kind of do like it. Oh yeah, it also sets to the third M1, so you can't do some crazy like M1 reset tech. Yeah, you could do stuff like that, I guess. Alright, we got the fourth move. This is gonna be like the main way you play your kit, okay? You are like a set play trapper type of thing. You put down a trap right here, okay? And then watch what happens when I knock him into the trap. They get stunned for a little bit. Let me get a dummy in here. Hold on. Let me get a dummy. If I place the trap right here, and then I knock him into the trap. Look at that. He gets stunned and he takes some extra damage. This is like the main way you're gonna be able to engage and stuff. Your trap has like a 5-second cooldown, but the trap lasts for 3 seconds. So most of the time you're gonna be able to have like up to 2 traps down, 3, maybe 3, but you know, by the time you place your third one, yeah, the first one's gonna disappear like that. You could do some crazy plays like this, and then knock him into that one, and then debuff him right here. Oh, also the debuff, like, it stuns, but not enough to like get an M1 in. It's like, alright, you see like that? It's just like that. And then it's like land a guard break, so you could do a mix up like that, and then they'll probably guard, and then you can do the fourth M1. Okay. Now we got our, I'm gonna call this the shadow variant. Okay. It's like ding. I don't know what I'm gonna call this. Like your purple variant. I guess it's like your base variant or whatever. This is your silhouette variant. Okay. We got the first move. You get a shadow to like, I'm so proud of how it came out. All right. You get a shadow to do your bidding. You summon him. It only hits in that specific area, okay? So basically I made this move to kind of pair with your Q dash. So you Q dash and then you do this. And then yeah, it also sets to your fourth M1. So overall, I'm pretty happy with how I made it. VFX are a little work in progress though. But besides that, alright, like, you got first move, second move, silhouette variant. You punch him back and then and then you barrage it, you punch him backwards, and then you barrage him back towards you. And then you can do like a little trap after. I know all my viewers are looking at the so stupid. All my viewers, they're looking at the moves, they're thinking of the combo routes. And you could do that. And then that, and then boom. Alright, look at that. That's a lot of health. I should low-key lower the damage numbers because I feel like it's too much. Okay, now we got the fourth move, silhouette variant. you kind of throw out like some little shadow dagger. Look at that. And if you hit them, you throw them in any direction you want. You throw them forward. You can also turn it like that. And the cool thing about this is that, hold on, I messed up. You could place a trap, and then you could have it set down. You can swap modes, and then you can throw them into your trap. Holy crap, isn't that cool? Isn't that cool? Okay, anyways, just a quick little thing of what I made for the past couple days. I haven't been working too much. This guy doesn't have that many variants, but overall, I'm pretty happy with what I made. If you want to see more of this guy, like and sub type shit. What's up, guys? This is like my 3rd attempt recording this. I'm on my friend's map, blah, blah, blah. We don't have time. You guys want to know? You guys want to know how to make follow-up variants? We're going to make follow-up variants, or use again, or use twice, bullshit, whatever, okay? First of all, skill. First of all, second skill. Put this first one on your 1 key. Put the second one on your 2 key. We're gonna go over here. First of all, the whole thing works because of tags, okay? We're gonna name our tag A. We're gonna put the value 1. We're gonna put the time 13. Make sure this is check, okay? This one is check. And this will go to branch variant, okay? We're going to have a branch named variant, but we'll save that for later, okay? Remember that. We're going to duplicate it. This time we're going to check it the other way, opposite. Oh, can you fucking do something? I'm doing something. Okay. But we're going to have a visual indicator for our activation, okay? It's gonna be the star, okay? Basically, if you guys don't understand tags, which don't worry, it took me a long time to understand tags also, this first tag is basically to like, is basically to check if you have value or not, which in this case you don't. So this first check is, okay. Think of tags as like, international travel, okay? This first tag is to check if you have a plane ticket, okay? And then if you don't, this second tag gives you the actual plane ticket, but it doesn't take you anywhere, which is why we're actually going to go to our second move. We're going to actually put a tag here, okay? And this is where the tag is going to take us. Or actually, hold on, I didn't mean to make this branch, my bad. Delete this. And this is actually where our this is actually where we're going when, you know, where this tag sends us, okay? This tag is going to send us to this other skill. Once again, input the values. Make sure this is checked like that. And branch variants. Now, here is actually where we're going to make our variant branch, all right? So, okay, also, let's make the default skill for this Divergent Fist. And let's make the variant for this Reversal Red. Okay, so now we go onto our characters, unnamed for now. When we use the 1, okay, it's just the star. That's the indicator that we're getting the tags, okay? And then when we use the 2, it's good old regular Divergent Fist, okay? Nothing too special about it. But if we press 1 plus 2, oh, would you look at that? We do Reversal Red. You just made a follow-up variant. You're so smart. Holy crap. Now you guys might be thinking, wait a minute, what if I want to do it on an R special, but I want to do like 1 plus R, and then it'll do a different variant, but with the same move. And you know what? That's actually very simple. We can do that right now. First of all, we're going to go back to our original skill. We're going to go back to this 1 move where we actually trigger the tags like this. We're going to go here. We're actually going to make another tag. This time we're going to call this tag B, and we're going to send it to variant V2. We're going to duplicate and paste, and we're actually gonna do the same thing we did for A, but do it for B, and send it set it a different tag value and a different branch. Basically, it's giving you 2 passports, and it's giving you 2 options to travel. So let's say the A, let's say the tag A sends you to like Miami, which Miami would be here or something, and I guess tag B sends you to like Vegas or something, okay? We're gonna, for simplicity's sake, we're gonna call this travel, we're gonna call this Miami, we're gonna call this Miami, Miami, we're gonna call this Miami, and we're gonna call this Vegas, okay? Now this is where we travel, okay? We press travel by itself, it does nothing, but if we press travel plus Miami, we go to Miami. We press travel plus Vegas, we go to Vegas. Okay, but first of all, we have to do the same thing we did to this move on this move. So we make variant v2. We have our tag B, value 1, time 0.15. Check like this, variant v2. Okay, and for the indicator that this tag is actually active, let's just do a regular move. Okay, let's do reverse ball. Let's do reverse ball just for this regular move. And for the variant, let's put just like, I guess that imperious updraft or whatever. Okay, now we go to here, we do 1 plus 2. Okay, pretty simple. We do R is reverse ball. Okay, your R is reverse ball. We do 1 plus R. Oh, now you do the updraft. Pretty cool, pretty cool. And that's pretty much that's pretty much all there is to it. If you want it to like for example, okay, let's say you only want to give the tags when you hit them. Let's say we put like a hit cancel. Anyone hit in the last like 0.5 seconds. Like, and then 0.03 weight or whatever. Or not 0.3 weight, 0.3 weight. So now when we press the 1 move, oh, hold on. I think I flipped it the wrong way. Whoopsie! Okay, so now we use the 1 move. Nothing happens. But we spawn a dummy, okay? And we hit that dummy and we use 1. Okay, ooh! All of a sudden, man, it works again. And then we can go to Miami. But if we don't hit him, guess what? We can't go to Miami. We have to hit them. We have to be aggressive to go to Miami or Vegas. Oh, look at that. 1 R. Oh my god. Look at that. We can still use the regular variants, but we can also do the super variants with 1 plus 2. We have to hit him. And then we do that. And then we hit him and then we do this. And then we reverse ball. Oh my god, it's super cool. If you want to go to the same move, just make a tag, or hold on, let's make tag C, right? Actually, that's a very good. I may do that. Okay. Let's say you want to send it to the same move, like a use again, okay? Then we go to, okay, we name this tag C, we name this variant. Yeah, variant. Okay, we name it variant. We do the same thing we did for the other tags, except we're gonna actually just send it here, so it's a little simpler. Do like that. I'm not really good with use again, huh? And then, okay, we have 2 of these, and then we're gonna put our tag on top of here, actually. And put it on top of the hit cancel. So this tag C, or tag C, not V. Value 1. Time 0.15, and then, you know, all the same basic stuff. We're gonna do like that, and then once in variant, okay, let's see. The skill is just gonna be crushing blow. Alright. So now, alright, there we go. Okay, we press 1, nothing happens. We hit him, the tag activates, but we press 1 again, it does crushing blow. Look at that. You just made 3 beautiful variants. You just made use again, use R special, and use a different move. You made 3 variants. Use again, use R, use a different move. It's beautiful. Thank you guys for staying. I'm probably not the best person to explain tags, because low-key, it's a little complicated to me also. But yeah, this is basically like the basic consensus of it. If you want to experiment with it more, if you feel free to do so. I'm actually just gonna post I'll just low-key post the code for this in the comments, or in the description. And yeah, thanks for staying and shit.